Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S10. So we're going to power the phone down. Power the phone down first. Okay. Now the phone is perfectly shut down. So what you're going to do, to hard reset the phone, you're going to press the volume button, the volume plus, and this button here. Volume plus, and this button here, and the power button, all three buttons together. Power button, volume plus, and the down button together. Okay, now you're going to see the recovery mode, Android recovery. You're going to use the volume button to select wipe data factory reset. Volume down to select wipe data factory reset. Then you're going to use the power button as the entry key. Power button, entry key. Okay, you're going to swipe down to factory data reset and use the power button as your entry key. Okay, now we have successfully wiped your Samsung Galaxy S10. So now we're going to reboot the phone using the power button to reboot system now. As you can see, we have perfectly hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S10. Every single data on the phone is wiped out, back as new. So let's wait for the phone to boot. As you can see, the phone is perfectly clean. Every single data on the phone is perfectly wiped out. Your phone is back as new. You can start. So we have successfully hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S10. For more videos like this, please comment the phone mode which you're having issues with, so I could assist you in hard resetting the phone or any other thing you want to fix on the phone. Kindly click on the subscription button below